Does the task of compiling your food safety management system documents feel like wading through a quagmire? Oh, the time-consuming and costly process it often is. But what if we told you there's a way to navigate this complex process quickly and efficiently? Enter the FSSC 22000 version 6 Toolkit. This toolkit is more than just a collection of documents. It's a comprehensive solution designed to kickstart your food safety management system documentation. It includes everything you need, from policies and procedures to forms, checklists, and risk assessments. And the best part? It's all fully customizable. Imagine the time you could save with over 250 documents at your fingertips, spanning over 790 pages. No more starting from scratch. No more endless hours spent compiling documents. This toolkit can save you between 70 to 90% of your time. But the FSSC 22000 version 6 Toolkit offers more than just convenience. It's also about quality. These are professionally developed templates, meticulously written to meet the requirements of the standard. They're easy to edit, in MS Word and MS Excel format, and licensed to one facility. And once you've purchased them, the document templates are yours to keep, edit, and share within the facility. And there's more. We believe in not just providing a product, but also offering excellent support. With each purchase, you get priority technical support services. Plus, we offer weekly toolkit demonstration webinars to help you make the most of your purchase. But that's not all. We know that every organization has unique needs, and we're here to help you navigate them. That's why we offer a 1-hour free virtual consultation with one of our expert consultants with each purchase. It's our way of ensuring that you're not just buying a product, but investing in a solution that truly works for you. So why wait? The FSSC 22000 version 6 Toolkit is here, ready to make your food safety management system documentation a breeze. Discover the difference it can make today. Check out the toolkit now. Your food safety management system deserves the best. And with the FSSC 22000 version 6 Toolkit, that's exactly what you get.